Hi everybody, Keith Best here. And this video I'm just going to have a look at the WP Schema Builder and show you how you can actually use shortcodes to display the schema. It just makes it a little bit easier for you to actually change once you've got the schema built. Okay, so obviously this is like sort of a video on a page. Obviously you'd have probably a bit more content on what I've got. But if we just copy that link and we pop over to the structured data testing tool, chuck it in there, and as you can see, you've got the header, create web footer, site navigation, but no video schema in there. Okay, and if we go into here, no video schema. So what we need to do obviously is get some video schema. Now obviously we can get some from somewhere by importing. If we have our own templates, we can use them. We could build it ourselves if we felt that way inclined. But I'm just going to import some. Now I know this page has got video schema on. That's the wrong one. So I want to go to there, and we're going to put it in. Scrape that page, and there it is. Now I don't want all the other gubbins, so let's just get rid of all of them. Now just make sure that's the one we want, so we can do preview, which shows it that way, which is in the code format, which is where I like to see it, so I can tell exactly what it is. And close, or you can do visualizer, which shows it like that. Yeah, which some people might prefer. Okay, well, that's what we want, so we need to import that schema. Okay, so there you go, it's imported. Now, the first thing I do before I change anything is I want to save it. Okay, so I've saved that schema and I just want to save it for the current page. Obviously, if I save it for all pages, it's going to go across all pages. Now, I might not have the same video on all pages, so it's not a good idea. Okay, so now I've saved it. So if we pop on back over to the structured data testing tool, do new test, run test, we should see video object. And there you go, it's got all the video object on, but it's got like WP Plugin, which is not what that video is about. Now obviously what we can do, we can just change this one, because if I change, if I go, this is the video, so I can just, what's that? Get the video ID there. Video ID is always the bit that comes after v equals. We check that, and there's three places where that needs changing. There's one in the content URL. There's one for the embed URL, and there's one for the thumbnail, and that's the one that's in the middle, not on the end. Okay, so we can change that one. So then we can go and change the title. Pick this video for a reason, because this is my old instructor. Oops, wrong page. Go into there. So we want to change the title. Where's the bloody title go? Oh, their name. Okay, change the name to that. So you put the description. The description just wants to be a short description. If you want long stuff, you put in the transcript. Description just wants to be short. So just going to put in there video on Waterloo Rival this evening. Okay, so we've got that one in. We want the duration and we want the upload date. 15th, 2017, July the 15th, 2017, and 9:42. So in there, 9, 42. Got that one, got that one. 15th, 7th, 2017. And transcript, that obviously will be what was said on the video. But what we could do, let's just make this. and bang that in there. Okay, you got that. So obviously now we need to save the schema. Obviously don't do that then forget to save it, which I have done. Annoying. We're going to here, if we do a new test now, video object. So now we've got video on Waterloo Karate by Walter Seaton 7th Dan, 9 minutes 42, embed, and there we've got that and that. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Now obviously another way of doing it so that you can make it a bit quicker for yourself is using shortcodes. Now the shortcodes in the help bit, you could use all of them. There's not many of them which actually relate to the video. I suppose you could change the title of the post to the video. That would be okay. And you could put that in, you know, the description and possibly in like the name. So you could probably put video on and title a post, embed. But nothing really else actually links to it. So what I've done, I'm just going to leave, well, what I'm going to do is change that over now. So I'm going to actually use shortcodes. But what I've done is I've used custom fields. Okay, so in your custom field section, all you got to do is enter new. This is, I can actually spell with help. And some word here. Okay, do that, then do add custom field. Done. That's how you add your custom field. Now what you do in your schema is you can do that. So content URL wants to go there. Our schema description, I'll use this one just to show you. I'm just putting these in at the moment because I'm going to show you something when I do. I just want all the words in. That's not how you do it. I just want the words in. Schema duration. Embed URL. Well, name some new URL. Right, so that's all of the fields filled in. Okay, just make sure they're all right. Yeah, okay. Now, obviously, you can't use them like that. What you need to do is go into here and look for where it says post meta. Okay, so take post meta, and what you see is it's got a open bracket and the name of the meta field in quotes, close bracket, close square bracket. So we do that, we do that, we do that. We don't want quotes in as well. Hold on, we actually want bracket, close. Bracket. Code. Okay, and then on the reverse, one quote, bracket, square bracket. Okay, so you got post meta, well, square bracket, post meta, curve bracket, quote, name of the field you want to use, finish the quote off, finish the bracket off, finish the square bracket off. Okay, you got one of them for each of them. So we now need to save that schema just for this page. Okay, but now obviously we've got no fields in here, so now we need to put the data back in. So we need to select the custom fields from here. So I've got, the beauty about this is obviously your custom fields will be stored across different pages. So all you need to do is go and pick it. Okay, enter a new one. Do it again. Add a custom field. Oh, it's not letting us pick them now. Let's pick them before, never mind. Okay, so all you got to do is add them again in the backside, but there you go. Okay. Like I say, I'm not used to using these custom fields, so there might be a better way that somebody knows how to do it. If there is, feel free to share it. We can all learn from each other. I'm glad video is not a long one. Okay, so we've got all them in. So now the content URL does obviously need to be in that format. Okay, so make sure you always copy that the same. Always a description. This is description can be anything you want. The duration needs to be in that format. Yeah. Embed URL obviously needs to be in that format. Schema name. This is the name. Thumbnail URL needs to be in that format. Transcript. Transcript. Upload date. It needs to be in that format. And custom fields. Give me that. Now, of course, once you put all that in, update it. You've now got that. Then all you do, let's go back to structured data testing tool. So that was the one what we had before was all correct. Okay. No errors. And now we got, this is another custom field description, the time. That's the actual video ID of the other one, not that one. This is the name, this is a transcript. So like I say, you can have this now. You can, now that you've got it, you can go to your schema. Okay, so you've got your schema here. You can go to your templates and you can add it as your schema template. But then what you can also do is you can export it. Export your schema file. And just save it to wherever you want, your desktop or wherever. Save it onto there and then basically pull it in, and all you've got to do then is not worry about the schema, just worry about filling them fields in. Okay, so that's all it is. Create some meta fields and you've got it. Obviously, if you decide you want to put 2 videos on, then you just create 2 lots of meta fields. Or, like I said, add another video in, whatever. Okay, hope that was useful. Catch you later. Bye.